Hi, how's it going, everyone? And welcome to day 18 of How to Stop Smoking Weed. And if you stopped smoking weed already, I just want to say congratulations and keep up the good work. And don't let anybody or anything knock you off your sobriety. And if you're thinking about not smoking weed again, this is a good video series for you because I'm going to show you a lot of tips, tricks, and techniques that I'm using in my own life to help keep me sober and to stop me from smoking weed. And if you want to stay up to date with these videos, just subscribe to this channel and I'll keep you up to date with the videos I'm coming out with. I should be coming out with one like every week or twice a week. Now, what I want to talk about today is about creating positive emotions because while you're going through your sobriety, you're going to feel a lot of negative emotions. You're going to feel emotions of like depression, anxiety, or you're going to be angry a lot. And this technique is going to help you if you do it consistently and you do it every day when you wake up, before you go to bed, during the day, and anytime like you feel like smoking weed. This is going to help you feel better. It's going to make you feel happy. It's going to make you feel grateful, and it's going to make you feel excited about life, being sober. And if you don't do this kind of technique, if for some reason you just let your emotions run on autopilot, what's going to happen is you're going to feel resentful about your sobriety. You're going to go through your sobriety unhappy. And plus, you're not going to be excited about life. You're going to be kind of like unmotivated, and you're constantly going to be thinking about smoking weed. Okay, so here's a technique right here. What it is just asking yourself certain questions, asking yourself these three questions, which I do every morning, or anytime I even think about smoking weed, I ask myself these three questions to kind of refocus myself to my sobriety. And I learned this technique from my friend, or he's not a friend, he's a mentor of mine. Well, I consider him a friend because I've been listening to him for over 10 years. But his name is Anthony Robbins. He has a book called Awaken the Giant Within. And in chapter 8, he talks about how questions help you refocus your mind and to get you to just think in a different way. Because a lot of us, when we're going through sobriety, we have certain questions going on in our head, like like why do I have to be sober? Why do I not feel good? Or why am I unhappy? And instead of asking those kind of questions, you want to ask yourself like more powerful questions. You don't want to ask questions that are going to bring up kind of like a negative results. You want to ask positive questions that are going to make you feel good about life and make you feel good about your sobriety. Even in the Bible, in Matthew, I think it's um, chapter 7, verse 7, it says, "Ask and it shall be given to you." So this comes from a kind of reliable source from the Bible, which, if you do ask, these feelings will come up for you. And these are the questions that I ask myself every morning so I can stay focused on my sobriety, and I can be happy, and I could be grateful, and I could be excited about life again. The first question is, what am I happy about? And what are you happy about? Maybe you're finally happy that you decided to stop smoking weed and you have like all the resources to help you stop smoking weed. When I ask myself, what am I happy about? That's pretty much what I'm happy about. I'm happy that I've been sober for over 2 months. I'm happy that, I have a roof over my head. I'm happy I got a job. I'm happy that, I have a beautiful, lovely girlfriend that helps me through this process and doesn't judge me no matter what I do. I'm happy that we have fridge in that we have food in our refrigerator. I'm happy that, that we live by the beach. You could be happy about anything. Try to figure out what you're happy about. And if you have to, just keep that on the top of your mind and always think about that. The other question, the second question I ask myself is, what am I grateful about? You ask yourself this question yourself, like, what are you grateful about? Like me, I'm grateful about my sobriety. I'm grateful that, I'm learning a lot of things now, and I'm studying a lot of things that are going to help me live my life out into the future, that are really going to benefit me. I'm grateful that I get up and, I can exercise every day. I'm grateful that I have the food that I need to keep me healthy. I eat a lot of like vegetables, and I drink like a protein shake. And I'm grateful for that, because there was a time I couldn't get myself to do that, or I didn't have the resources for that, which now I do. So ask yourself that question. That could be the second question you ask yourself. What are you grateful about? And the third question is, what am I excited about? And what are you excited about? Maybe you're excited to go on this journey of not smoking weed again. You're excited about growing up as a regular human being without having drugs being there and it running the show for you all the time. Maybe you're grateful about you're gonna have your emotions finally under control instead of having the drug control it for you. So try to figure out what you're grateful about. Those are some of the things that I'm grateful about. And I really concentrate on these things, and I really try to feel the emotion. So I have this positive emotion going on throughout my day, instead of, like I said, instead of being resentful, being unhappy, being unmotivated about my sobriety. Because like I said, one of the emotions that I've mentioned in all the other videos that you're going to go through is anxiety. And you have to think of anxiety, you have to, the only way you can cure this is by maybe that feeling that it's coming up for you, that you feel that kind of feels like fear. See it in a different context. See it as, you're getting excited. Maybe it's not fear at all. Maybe you're just, you're excited. You're gonna face new challenges. You're gonna meet new people. You're gonna go through different things in life, and don't take it as anxiety. Take it as, as you're getting excited about something. Okay, so there you go, guys. Like I said, ask yourself those three questions. What am I grateful about? What am I happy about? And what am I excited about? And keep asking yourself these questions whenever you feel like smoking weed, or when you first wake up. If you really want to start your day off real good, ask yourself these questions when you first wake up, and do it right before you go to bed if you can, because this will go into your unconscious mind and it'll help reprogram the way you think. And whatever you do, guys, do not smoke weed. All right, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.